Hey guys, what's going on? Rohan with you, and I am so excited to bring you my newest course, the Google AdWords Masterclass. Okay, and the special thing about this course is I will show you exactly how to get tier 1 traffic, okay, for less than 30 cents a click. And not only that, but I'll show you how this traffic has been producing front end high ticket sales. All right, this training is going to be really powerful, guys, because what I'm going to show you as part of this proof of concept. I'm doing this introductory video, and I'm going to share my results of what I have been noticing over the past 11 days, that this campaign has been running amazingly well. Okay, and you know, Google was something that I used to avoid using just because it felt like it was so complicated. I couldn't get any ads approved in Make Money Online niche. Okay, and it was just unpredictable. The leads were too expensive and so many things, right? But now, I've been able to get such amazing results, and that's why I've created this masterclass. Okay, and so let's get into it right now. Let me show you what results I've been noticing. Okay, so that you can exactly see why this is going to be so powerful. I mean, because getting leads for less than 30 cents a click, I mean, that's a big deal because you know after you learn how to drive your own traffic, you pretty much maybe do not need to buy solo ads at all. You know, it makes your own business much more effective because you don't need to depend on anyone else for traffic. You can start generating your own traffic. And not only that, these leads end up being free. Like for me, what I've been doing for the last 11 days is the front end sales have been much more than my traffic cost actually. So the entire leads that I'm getting is all for free. So I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing this. Okay, so a little backstory now. I was trying to run this campaign several times from the beginning of the month, right? And I was facing a lot of issues. The same issues that we all face, which is, ads getting disapproved, campaigns getting disapproved for various reasons, and, landing page issues, blah, blah, blah. But basically, I've had this campaign running effectively and smoothly without any issues at all from April 8th onwards. So this campaign has been running for the past 11 days. Okay, so let's do the analysis of the results that I have got from the past 11 days. Okay, so now you can see my account this is my dashboard, right? And this is the name of the campaign that I'm running. This is MMO GA traffic. GA is Google AdWords. And you can see the currency over here is in dirhams because I'm based in Dubai in UAE, right? So first of all, let me show you the conversion, okay, where 1 dirham is $0.27. All right. So I'm going to open a calculator as well over here. Okay. So basically $1 will be like 3.67 dirhams. Okay. So let's look at my my ad spend just today. Okay. So today I've received 162 clicks to my funnel and I've spent 155 dirhams. So 155 divided by 3.67 is $42. I've spent just $42 today so far, and I've received 162 clicks. Okay, and my CPC for today is 0.96, right? You divided that by 3.67, so literally 26 cents. 26 cents clicks is what I've been getting today. Okay, and what I want to show you overall also is actually, the funny thing is I had to re-record this video because I recorded this video a few hours ago when I was at $40 ad spend and I had no conversions on Nexus today. But then when I opened my Nexus account after I shot the video, I saw 2 conversions over the next only 6 clicks. So when I reached $42 ad spend from $40 ad spend, for the additional $2 ad spend, I made 2 sales of $85 each, guys. That's why I'm re-recording this video. It's so funny. And I put the initial introductory video on my Facebook group. So everybody can see that I had 35 clicks over here and no conversions. But in the next 6 clicks, I got 2 conversions. It's pretty crazy. that has like pushed me to re-record this video so I can show you a higher impact of this system. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, okay, is, I mean, you can see over here, right over here, I've ran about like 51 clicks through this system. So I've got 50 leads. My funnel is converting at like 40%, and at a $42 ad spend, I've received $170. You can calculate the ROI on that. And it's, so in the end, it's like free leads, right? So let's check the reports from the entire month. So you can see on a monthly basis, you can see here April 8th is when my system actually started running smoothly. Before that, I hardly have anything. And from here, I have 40 clicks, and you know, after that consistently, it's been well over 40 clicks. Okay. So you can see here the total sales that I've been making. Okay. So what I'm going to show you now is my complete ad spend from April 8th onwards till today, and what all, how many clicks I've ran through the system, what's my ad spend, and what's my profit. Okay, so let's make this into this month complete. So you can see here from April 8th onwards is where you know, the click started. So I've spent a total of only 1,108 dirhams. So let's see what that is in dollars. Okay, so like 1,100 dirhams basically divided by 3.67. So I've basically spent $300 in ad spend. Okay, at a rate of 0.91 divided by 3.67. So I've been getting leads at less than 25 cents, guys. Less than 25 cents, you know. And my funnel is operating at about 40%. So, I mean, I've pretty much received, I could say, almost 500 leads. So, like 1220, if you go 1220 clicks into 0.4, that's about like 488 leads. So, you know, that's pretty crazy. And now to calculate my total sales, okay, let's go through each and every sale here. So 136, 80, 70, 138, 136, 80 plus 70 plus 138 plus another 80 and then 170 plus 80 and plus 170. So 674. So my ROI basically is more than 200%. You know, it's almost, yeah, more than 200%. So till now, I've pretty much gotten almost 500 leads for absolutely free. Okay. I mean, you can see the power of the system. It's absolutely crazy. You don't need to buy overpriced solos from anyone. I mean, see, I'm not completely saying that all solo ad sellers are bad, right? But there are a lot of scammers out there, especially when you go on sites like Udemy and stuff like that. You don't know who to trust. If you've worked with several solo ad sellers for a long time, you know that their traffic is good. But there's no solo ad seller out there who's giving you 25-cent clicks and getting you front end conversions for you to make a profit, right? So might as well be running your own traffic with the system, right? So this is exactly what I want to show you in this training, okay? And you know, get excited, guys, because this stuff is very powerful. You can start driving your own traffic, start getting your own conversions, be in profit. Because I mean, literally, if you're seeing profit off the front end, this program is pretty much an ATM machine for you at home. Okay, so I've shown you my numbers. I'm going to take you through each and every step in detail and give you all the information I possibly can so that you can do exactly the same thing. Okay, guys, so thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the next video.